Seeing network not available on your Walmart family mobile phone means your device isn't connecting to T-Mobile's network. This can happen for several reasons: a faulty or improperly inserted SIM card, issues with network registration, incorrect APN settings, or simply being in an area with poor coverage. First, try the basics. Restart your phone and toggle airplane mode on and off. Next, physically check your SIM card. Remove it, ensure it's clean, and reinsert it properly. If you're using an eSIM, make sure it's activated in your phone's settings. Then, ensure you've activated your service through the Walmart Family mobile app or website. These quick steps resolve many common connectivity issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, check your APN settings. The correct APN for Walmart Family Mobile is fast.tmobile.com, without quotes, with no username or password required. Incorrect APN settings prevent data access and network registration. Finally, coverage could be the problem, especially in rural areas. Use T-Mobile's Coverage Map app to identify signal dead zones. If you're in a weak signal area, consider a signal booster, available at Walmart. For persistent issues, contact Walmart Family Mobile support through their app. Remember, AI-driven chatbots can often provide faster fixes than calling support.